Wow, that was a great job on chapter 1. Now we're going to get started on chapter 2. Here's the picture for chapter 2. And this chapter is about rabbits' animal habitat. So chapter 2, animal habitat. So capital C, dive down H, magic C, A, dive down P, up around and bump the P, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, leave a finger space, number 2, dot, dot. Next is animal, capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M, magic C, A, dive down L. Animal habitat, capital H, magic C, A, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C, A, dive down T. So your research about animal habitat. So let's start with a topic sentence. The homes of rabbits have many features. Capital T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for E. The homes, dive down H, magic C-O, dive down M, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C-S. The homes of, leave a finger space, magic C-O, dive down F. And then we'll write the word rabbits. Dive down R, magic C-A, dive down B, up around and bump the B, dive down B, up around and bump the B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S. The home of rabbits have many features. Leave a finger space for have, dive down H, magic C-A, slide down, slide up for the V, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. The homes of rabbits have many, leave a finger space for the M, dive down M, magic C-A, dive down N, slide, slide for the Y. The homes of rabbits have many, we're going to write the word features. Dive down F, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C-A, dive down T, dive down U, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C-S. Period. The homes of rabbits have many features. Let's use the word first again. Capital F, dive down I, dive down R, magic C-S, dive down T. First, and then don't forget your comma. Rabbits live in the USA and France. So we're going to put dive down R for rabbits, magic C-A, dive down B, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S. Rabbits, leave a finger space for live, dive down L, dive down I, slide down, slide up for V, hit the ball, run around the base for E. Live, leave a finger space for in, dive down I, dive down N. Live in the, leave a finger space for the, dive down T, dive down H. Hit the ball, run around the base for E. Rabbits live in the capital U, capital S, capital A. Then leave a finger space, magic C, A for and, dive down N, magic C, D, up like a helicopter, back down, and leave a finger space for France, capital F, dive down R, magic C, A, dive down N, magic C, hit the ball, run around the base for E. First, rabbits live in the USA and France. So let's move on and write next, they live in the forest. Capital N. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E, slide, slide for the X, dive down for the T, and comma. Leave a finger space for they, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, slide, slide for the Y. Leave a finger space for live, dive down L, dive down I, slide down, slide up for the V, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. They live in, leave a finger space for in, dive down I, dive down N. They live in the, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for E. They live in the, finger space for forest, dive down F, magic C, O, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, magic C, S, dive down T. And then don't forget your period. Last, their home is called a burrow. That's a really cool fact that you found. So capital L, magic C, A, magic C, S, dive down T, comma, last, their home, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down I, dive down R, their home, dive down H, magic C, O, dive down M, hit the ball, run around the base. For the E, leave a finger space for is, dive down I, magic C, S. Leave a finger space for called, magic C, A, dive down L, dive down L. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Magic C, D, up like a helicopter and back down. Last, their home is called A. Magic C, A. Leave a finger space. Let's write the word burrow. Dive down B, dive down U, dive down R, dive down R, magic C, O, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up for W. Last, their home is called a burrow. So all we have to write now is our conclusion sentence. let's say, in fact, rabbit homes are cool. Capital I, dive down N, leave a finger space. For fact, dive down F, magic C A, magic C, dive down T. In fact, comma, rabbit homes are cool. Here comes rabbit, dive down R, magic C A, dive down B, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T. Leave a finger space for homes, dive down H, magic C O, dive down M, hit the ball right around the base for the E, magic C S. In fact, rabbit homes are, leave a space for magic C A, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. And then we'll write cool, magic C, magic C O, magic C O, dive down L. And let's make an exclamation point, because really rabbit homes are cool. I learned that they were called a burrow and that they live in the USA and France. Really good research for Chapter 2. Take a few days to write Chapter 2, and then we'll move on to the last chapter, Chapter 3. Bye now.